Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about the visualization interaction. Now, let's say you are in the Power BI desktop and you have created some visuals. It can be two visuals or multiple visuals that you have created. Now, what happens is that whenever you select any visual, so you see the data is filtering according to that, right? But it's not actually filtering. Actually, it is just highlighting that part which are present inside that other parts. For example, over here you can see that whenever you are selecting any technology item, and you can see this customer and how he has purchased in that technology part, and the rest of the things which is showing belongs to any other category. Or to make it more simple, what I'll do is on the next page 4, I have created one visual over here which is a sum of sales by category, and then on the left hand side I have sum of the sales by subcategory. Now let's say if someone says that I want to see how is the furniture doing in terms of sales, so I can click on this furniture, and you can see that whatever items are belonging to furniture are now highlighted in this part. Okay, but some of people don't like to see it this way. What they want exactly is that it should filter my data, or it should filter the visual according to the thing that I have chosen on the right hand side over here. So for that, what you can do is you can set how these visualizations will interact with each other. So for example, let's say if you select this, and if you don't want to filter this data, you can also set that part. Now how to do this? For that, let me just click over here and go to format. Over here I have this edit interactions button. As you click on edit interactions button, you will see these three buttons would appear on the top. Okay, and this would be appearing for all the visuals that you have. Now what you can do is that the first option over here is for the filter. The second option is for highlight. Currently it is set to highlight. When it is set to highlight and you select the furniture, only the items that belongs to furniture would be highlighted. If you select this none option, so if you click on none, if you then select again the furniture option, you will see that this data is not being filtered now. Okay, or neither it is being highlighted. So this is how these visuals can interact with each other. Now comes this filter part. Now this is interesting one. When you click on the filter part and then you click on the furniture, you will see that all the items that belong to furniture are now visible over here in the bar charts. Other won't be appearing over here. And the same thing would be happening for the other chunks of this pie chart. So let's say if I'm trying to see the technology, only the items belonging in the technology would be visible. The same would be happening for the office supplies as well. So this is how these two visuals would be interacting with each other. And we had when you have multiple visuals on your sheet, for example, let's go to this page. Over here, you can select any visual. Again, you can go to format and click on edit interactions. So you can see these interactions are appearing. So let's say if you want to filter any visual based on the items that you are choosing on any other visual, you can set it that way. Also, you can set it that nothing should be filtered or the thing should be shown as same. For example, if you see this sum of sales, which is basically the complete sales happening in the Africa region, you don't want this to change when you are selecting any category over here. As you're selecting this technology category, it is filtering this. So now let's say that you want to see the sum of sales over here which belongs to complete Africa region. For that, what you will do is you will select the none option over here. Then whenever you are selecting the none option, then it won't be filtering that visual. So you can use these none, highlight, and the filter options as per your need and the visual. And not every visual will be showing you every kind of options also. So it depends on the visual also that which particular option is shown to you. Okay. So this was all about the visualizations interaction. Thank you.